Hey, you look rich. Do you mind if I ask you, what do you do for a living?
Yes, I run a CEO advisory firm that provides mentorship, connection, and capital to small business owners to help them scale their business.
Wow, that sounds cool. How much revenue has your business generated till now?
About 25 million for the parent company.
Whoa, that's impressive. And what's your ideal target audience?
Our ideal target audience is service-based business owners between 1 million to 5 million in annual revenue, usually from real estate, software, agencies, financial service providers, and more. Pretty much anyone in the B2B space.
And how do you find them?
We used to do a lot of cold calling and outreach that proved to be very ineffective. But then we hired this one company called Cleverly that now pretty much runs our entire outreach campaign for us on LinkedIn and delivers qualified leads to our sales leads on autopilot.
That sounds really interesting, but are they really good at what they do?
Yeah, I was skeptical too before hiring them. So I went to Google to check their reviews, and they have 1,000+ 5-star reviews. And that kind of lured me to give them a try. And we had seen amazing results with them.
Can you explain briefly how they exactly source clients for you?
Sure. So they basically place a dedicated LinkedIn gen expert into your business that creates a customized LinkedIn strategy for you, builds your targeting list, writes your personalized messaging sequence, your targeting list and messaging sequence into their automation tool, and monitors and optimizes your campaign's performance. So all you have to do is take sales calls and close them.
Wow, that sounds awesome. How much do they charge? That must be a bomb.
Not really. I just pay them $397 monthly per profile, including software. So that's pretty affordable.
Are you kidding me? Just $397 per month for a fully done service? I'm signing right away for it. And I'll put the link down below somewhere in this video for you guys to sign up as well.
Yeah, go check them out.
And one last question. How much did Cleverly pay you for this commercial?